Hello and welcome guys. Today I'll show you how to remove unwanted objects from images faster and easiest way. So let's get started. I have an image of a beautiful girl who is sitting on a bench. First of all, we will create a duplicate copy of this background layer for non-destructive editing. Ctrl+J. Now we will see how to use clone stamp tool. Here I have another image to understand it better. You can activate it by pressing key S from your keyboard or select it from Tools palette. As you select clone stamp tool, your cursor will change in a circle with a crosshair sign of its center. You can increase the size of it by tabbing right square bracket key continuously and can decrease its size by tabbing the left square bracket key. We can control brush size and hardness also from options bar. Here different type of modes available. From that we will select normal mode. Opacity 100%, flow 100%, sample. If we have more than one layer, then select all layers option, so Photoshop can take sample from all layers. The clone stamp tool makes a clone. So if we want to make a clone of this girl, then we will take a sample from this girl. Like we take a sample from here, and for that we will press and hold Alt key and click on this point. And now we will release the Alt key. We can see a sample of that part on cursor where we click. Now we will go there where we want to clone it and click on that point and start painting. When we click, a crosshair will go to the part from where we took a sample. So when we do continuous painting, the crosshair also run on the part of an image from where we took the samples and continuously clone it to a new place. This way. But what if we want to flip it horizontally? So for that we will go to Window and select Clone Source option. A clone source window will fly out. From here we can change it to flip horizontal. Now we will take a sample from here. We can see here in the sample preview the image is flipped horizontally. And we will be painting here. And it will give us a flipped clone. Now we will change it to normal and we will go to our main image. Here we want to remove this object, and for that we have to set a new background instead, which will easily match with the original background. We will take sample from here and match it to this place and start painting its parallel here. If we do the painting even further, the difference between these 2 points, the point from where we sample and the point from where we started painting, will remain parallel and same distance. So as we start painting further, the crosshair will also move forward keeping the same difference in parallel. Photoshop will take a sample from the pixels under the crosshair and replicate it in the painted area. And we can see that the girl is replaced with a new background. We will keep an eye constantly on the crosshair to see where it's moving on the image. Now we will take a sample from here and flip it horizontally so that it will match here. We will go to Clone Source window and select Flip Horizontal option. We will set this sample part to this place and start painting like this. And such a way we will take new samples from other matching parts of our image and replicate it to object. Now we will take flipped horizontally sample from here and remove this repeated pattern. We'll also remove this type of repeated pattern from other parts of our new background by replicate it. Hey guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe us. And yes, if you have any questions or suggestions, please post in the comment box. And don't forget to give thumbs up. Thanks for watching guys.